say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
What's going on, YouTube fam, on this lovely, beautiful Tuesday? It's your boy E Double coming back to you with another review. It's E Double's birthday today, so I decided to grace myself with a birthday present. But don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment suggestion below. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscribers, and also don't forget about the drawing. We're gonna leave it at 2 and just do 2 prize winners for now. We only got about a hand full of participants so far, so I will leave the information in the description box, so don't forget to sign up for that. The rules pretty much just bring one person in, leave the person name, and hit done. You can enter multiple times, and the drawing will be done on Sunday. Once I get the winners, you will be notified. Then you can hit me on IG, DM, and I'll try to get you your stuff out on Monday. Now, without further ado, let us get into this review. Wanted to do something different. You see, you got a Nike box. Check it out. Nike Air Max 97 Premium. Cop these from Shoe Palace. Fisher colorway sale. Black, University Red, 170 of them things. I went up half a size, and like I tell everybody, I do normally go a size 10, but on these I had to, well, I am a size 10, but I go up half a size. But in this case, I did need to go up half a size. Sticker wicker up and down for your stamper ramp, and your sticker wicker for QC, quality control. Nothing special about the paper. And how fitting. Birthday Air Max 97. Check it out on the bottom. You got your Nike swoosh, got your sail white with the black, and got a little hits of infrared orange going through that shoe. Then on the front of this, I don't know what this looks like, maybe nubuck, I don't think it's suede, but you got your birthday speckles there. You got a little bit of hits of, like, I don't know what type of material. It's like a synthetic leather. You got your mesh, then you got your sail white, kind of with your like a speed tight rope lacing, your Nike swoosh with the birthday speckles there, and as well as your pull tab. Coming around on the media side, you got your Nike swoosh there. This is here, it's like a type of Velcro type material. On the side there, you got your sail. Look, that's pretty dope. You got your see-through sail air unit. Some speckles there. On the back, you got Air Max. You got etched in with your air swoosh there. Coming around on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. Your black swoosh mark. Then you got like this Velcro mesh type material here. Inside the black Nike swoosh. Production date 1/31/18 till 4/28/18. I think they call it Nike Air Max 97 birthday cake. So present for me to me. So leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about these. Was the car something different? No look pass. This shoe, because it's different, I will give it a little bit higher, because actually I just like to be a little bit different. Okay, I will go about 4.6 out of 5 on the dopeness scale, just because it's different, something other than Jordans. I know people get tired of Jordan and other shoes. I'm gonna start trying to get some Yeezy for the Yeezy fans out there, or just people just like to collect shoes in general. So again, don't forget to leave a comment suggestion below. If you need to holler at me, you can also hit me up on DM on Instagram, E_money_shoes. And like I mentioned in some of my other videos, I'm in the process of starting another sports channel, alternative. So anything sports, my favorite basketball team, of course, is the Lakers for the pros. Football is the Raiders. Can't wait for college football to get underway and all of that good stuff. So I want to keep just rambling. I know people got things to do. So thank you for watching my video. Love and support, and I'm out. Deuces.